Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's an episode here on Ballin Builds, and in this episode we are going to be working on my brother's Challenger.
But sadly, we don't have Zed car up here yet, so we have to go get it. Well, looks like she's dead, but luckily we got this thing right here and we'll give her a try.
Alright, so now that we got it pulled up, we're going to go ahead and start trying to fix this gap right here. As you can see, it is pretty bad. I think we might have to use the angle grinder and try to thin it down a little bit, but I guess we'll see. Alright, so this hood gap's looking pretty good, so now we're going to go ahead and move on.
Now, if you know anything about cars, you know that this does not look like the front end of a Challenger, at least not this Challenger. So we need to go ahead and start taking all these pieces that are hidden in this garage right here and start slapping them all onto the front of it and hoping it looks something like a Challenger and hoping that we didn't order a bunch of the wrong parts. Alright, so we ran into a problem with these headlights, and that is these are supposed to take HLED bulbs because we ordered the wrong headlight. So instead of ordering the right headlight, we're going to go ahead and fake make some HLED bulbs. The reason we're not using the real deal is just because they're stupid expensive and kind of stupid. So we're going to go ahead and just using some of these bulbs right here, we're going to 3D print some kind of an adapter to let these things plug into there. Let's go ahead and let's open these up and let's figure that out. Alrighty, so this is my solution. Oh yeah, perfection.
Alright, so now that we got the headlights installed, we're going to go ahead and start working on the front bumper. We need to rivet it together and get it ready to install.
Well, I thought it was lining up pretty good until I decided to look down here, and that is the crash bar. And it slowly fades up because it's at like a 2-inch incline, which is not okay. So we're gonna go ahead and pull off this bumper and jack that up and see if we can kind of fix it somehow. So we're gonna give it a shot.
Alright, so we got the impact bar straightened up, so now we're going to go ahead and insert some mesh grill pieces into this bumper and then reinstall it. Alright, so now that we got this crash bar straightened up and the bumper back on, we're going to go ahead, close this hood, and start working on some of these gaps right here, especially along this front and along this side. It's pretty bad, especially up top right there, as well as on this side over here. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in and see if we can fix it. Alright, so now that we got the hood looking good, we're gonna go ahead and jump onto these sides and start tidying them up. So as you can see, these gaps are actually looking pretty amazing. So now we can go ahead and get to painting. Alright, so now that we got it painted, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to drop a like as well as a sub, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.